बसो मेरे नैनों में नंदलाल, बसो मेरे नैनों में नंदलाल, बसो मेरे नैनों में नंदलाल, बसो मेरे नैनों में नंदलाल। मोहनी मूरति श्यामरी सूरति, मोहनी मूरति श्यामरी सूरति, ओ मोहनी मूरति श्यामरी सूरति, मोहनी मूरति श्यामरी सूरति, नैना बने Jati Nayanam राधा कुंड तट ताई कुंज सता सत प्रबाल विद्रुम मय तरुलता मुक्ता फले अवनत चिंता राधा कुंड तट ताई कुंज सत सत प्रबाल विद्रुम मय तरुलता Shri Govinda Gopinath Madan Mohan Ji Ki Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad Vastu Bhakti Vedanta Silo Krishna Jnana Krishna Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Samtanta Prabhupada Ki Rupan Guru Varga Ki Jai Harinam Sankirtan Ki Jai Padit Pavan Nityananda Prabhu Ki Jai Gaur Premanand चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय चैतन्यनम्ने गौरतिसे नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So we will translate. Or some international. Very thoroughly. She has also speak up. Huh? First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padmo Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavama Krishna Maharaj and Nitya Lila Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavama Krishna Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, the Guru Guru Sri Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas. They have microphone. How they listen. So continue. I also discussed about the conversation between Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Raya Ramananda. According to the encouragement of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how an ordinary sadhaka to achieve his highest goal. What is our highest goal? How to attain the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, that is called Radha Dasam. But Raya Ramananda, he explained how to start our bhajan and sadhana, following all the rules and regulations of the वर्णाश्रम धर्म, वर्णाश्रम आचरतावता पुरुषेण परपुमा विष्णु आराधते पंथा नान्य तत्पुरुषकारम. Without following the rules and regulations of varnashram dharma, Lord will not please with us. For this regard, Raya Ramananda, he also quoted this verse, the varnashram acharata bata purusena parapuma Vishnu aradhate pantha nanna tattvasya karam. Lord Vishnu will be pleased, one who follows the rules and regulations of varnashram dharma. Varnashram dharma. Brahmachari, Grihastha, Banprastha and Sannyas. And then Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, everybody should be stay in their caste and race and ashram according to their qualification. Yeah. Krishna says to Arjuna also these things, that is called Daiva Varnashram Dharma. Yeah. A Chaturvarna Maya system, Guna Karma Vibhavas. Krishna told, I manifested 4 Varna and Ashram according to their qualification. That is called Daiva Varnashram Dharma. Srimad Bhagavatam discourse says Daiva Varnashram Dharma. Everybody have to stay in that Varna and Ashram according to their qualification. Then do bhajan and sadhana and how to remove all the anarthas, unwanted things from his heart. That means everybody have to practice sadhana bhakti and then bhava bhakti, then prema bhakti. This is the process, step by step, how an ordinary sadhak achieve his highest perfection. But before sadhana, you have to fix your mind about your ultimate goal. Ultimate goal. If you book the ticket, air ticket, first you mention your destination. Then, in the same way, when sadhaka perform bhajan and sadhana, then the destination fixed. What is your destination? What is destination? How to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Radha Dasan. This. So, here Raya Ramananda very nicely and step by step explain how to surrender to Krishna, karmarpan, sarvadharma tag, and offer all karma to Krishna. Then sarvadharma tag, then how to fix your mind is important. And concentrate your mind to Krishna and free from all kinds of material sense gratifications. This Brahmabhuta prasanna atma nasochati nakankati sama sarvesu bhutesu madbhakti labhati param. This is important. Brahmasthiti, you have to come to Brahmasthiti. Brahmasthiti. Detached from all the material things. Then, if Ramananda explained, they have to listen Hari Katha. Gyane prayase mudvasya namante evo jivanti sarmavratan bhavadya vartan sthane sthita srutikatan tunamano bhi jo prayaso ajito jito pisto istilukka. listen Harikatha, actually this is called direct bhakti. And are you practicing bhakti or not? Or bhakti manifest in your heart or not? This is the first measurement. Okay? Then how much you have taste to listen Harikatha. Harikatha ruchina hoile pandasya sram. Visak sena kathasuja. Not by jadirati. Srama evahi kevalam. If you have no taste to listen Harikatha, but you have many kinds of endeavors to perform different activities. And all your endeavors, that is called issues. So saying this is Visak sena kathasuja. Not by the jati. Sarma evahi kevalam. So now coming, this Rayananda, he gave many evidence, praman from Shastra. Ye gyane prayasi mudavasanvante. Give up all kinds of endeavors to acquire the knowledge. And you concentrate your mind to listen Harikatha. Sravanakya bhakti. First bhakti name is Sravanakya bhakti, then Kirtanakya bhakti. Then Smaran, Padasavan, Archan Bandhan, Dasa. This is called the 9 limbs of bhakti. So Sravanakya bhakti, this is the symptom of bhakti. Then another thing, Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. How do you know you are progressing your bhakti? Bhakti, paresanabha virakti annatra. Chaisatrika eko kalo. Bhakti paresanabha. If you practice bhakti, means seva vritti will come. But then feeling will come, anubhav will come. Anubhav, realization will come. Or virakti means you detach from material sense gratification. This is the symptom. If you eat, then your stomach will be full. Then your hungerness will be going down. Then your stomach full, then you will be no need. In the same way, bhakti manifests one's heart. This is a symptom will come. But bhakti is another symptom also saying, Naradishi, he got benediction from Krishna. You one who practice bhakti, he will be never, what is that? Satisfied. What do you want? More and more and more. And if you eat rice, then your stomach full. You will no need more. Okay, now you take one rasgulla. What do you say? Yes, okay, one is okay. Then another, but no more. Then I give 2, 3, 4. No, not possible. Maybe I will be vomiting. But bhakti, more and more increase. Bhakti, if you listen more Harikatha, then your also more eagerness will come. You say more. How much? More, unlimited. This is that. This is the symptom. Give an example, Sanatana Goswami Pad, he explained Brihad Bhagavatamrita. The bhakti is as like one kind of disease. What disease? Sandip. It is called Sandipat disease. Sandipat disease means one kind of disease. And high fever. Or with high fever, so much thirst will come. Thirsty. When I drink more water. But that time doctor will know, should not give water the patient. But patient will be asked to give more water. So much thirsty will come. Then his throat completely dry. He wants to drink water. He wants to drink water. But doctor says, don't give him one drop of water. So what will do now? That okay, doctor will give you 1 drop of water, 1 chamach, 1 spoon. But when 1 spoon water giving on his throat, then more and more his thirst comes. Okay? But bhakti is as like this type of sandipat disease. If your bhakti manifest, then you more and more. And Narada asked this benediction to Krishna, "Hey Prabhu, give me this benediction." And more serve to Lord, more and more practice Krishna, more and more listen Krishna Katha. There. So in the Jnane Prayase Mudavassa Namante Evan Jivanti Sarmokritam Bhavati Avartam Sthane Sthita Sutikatang Tunumang Nubi Jo Prayas Ajito Ajito Visto Istulakam. You listen Harikatha, then more, the gardeners will come. When told this, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pleased. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am very pleased, I grant, but you speak more. Then the Ragananda quoted out Vaidhi Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti, then Dasa Bhakti, Sakha Bhakti, and Vatsalya Bhakti, parental mood. Then Ragananda finally he told about conjugal mood. Then Prema Bhakti is the highest mood. The conjugal mood, also 2 types. One is called Sakya, another is called Parakyatva Bhav. Sakya Bhav means that is called relationship with wife and husband in Dwarakapuri. Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, all that is called mood. That conjugal mood is called Sakyatva Bhav. Braj, Braja Prem, that is called conjugal mood about Parakyatva Bhav. Parama mood in there. Braj Vina Nahi Anatra Prachar. Chaitanya Charitamrita. This Parakya Bhav, Paramur mood only in Braj, not in Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka mood. Vaikuntha adi nahi, jesab rasira prachar, sei lila kariba ami taha jahe hai chamatkar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Braj Vina Nahi Tahar Annatra Prachar. That means the Parakyatva Bhav, Gopi's Parakyatva Bhav, Paramur mood, only in Braj, not in Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka mood. So saying Vaikuntha di nahi, jisab rasira prachar. Jisab loka mein jahe, loke sune hoy chamatkar. So much chamatkar means so much taste will come. Braj Lila Katha. Anugrahaya Bhaktanang Manusam Dehmasritam. Krishna says, I manifested my all this Braj Madhurya Lila in this Bhuma Vrindavan. Why? Because those are qualified persons, devotees, sadhaka. If they listen my this Katha, they will be absorbed with my Lila, and then they will be attain my abode. So first do bhajan sadhana, how to control the lust and anger. There are many processes to control of your senses, but best process is your. What is the best process to control your lust and anger? Do you know? Huh? Maya marjavasito dhiya kama bija nasayate jatha bhajita kathita dhana. Krishna says, Maya aveshita. Aveshita means one who completely, absolutely absorbed with my lila katha or with my pastimes. Understand? Maya aveshitam, marja aveshitam. If we absorb with Krishna or Krishna katha, then automatically last anger will be disappear. Kormi, Gyani, Yogis, they try to control their last anger senses. The different process, yoga process, Ashtanga yoga process, 8 paths of yogas, but not possible. जत्पाद पंकज पलास विलास भक्ता कर्मासंगतितम उद्ग्रथयन्ति संत तद्वन्नरिक्तमतयो जतयो निरुद्ध श्रोतागणस्तम अरणम भज वासुदेवम। सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद तोड़ परीक्षित महाराज, ये कर्मी ज्ञानी yogis, they perform many kinds of activities, karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Jat pad pankaj palasa vilasa bhakta karma sankatitam udgathanti santa. Those who are devotee of Krishna, just they remembering the footprints of Krishna, Krishna Charan Chinna. When you wake up early in the morning, then you see or remember Krishna's footprints, Charan Chinna. There are 19 symbols there. Dhaj, Vajra, Ankush. Then automatically you can control your senses. So saying, Jat Pada Pankaja Palasa Vilasa Bhakta Karmasam Gatha Udgadanti Santa Tanvan Nariktamata Jatu Niruddha Srota Ganastam Aranam Bhajavasudevam. Listen to this. Learn these slokas. Sweet. When you wake up early in the morning, 100% guarantee. If you say, I cannot control my last ego, stupid, what is called? Stupid rascal. Just wake up and keep one photo of Krishna's lotus feet. Listen. Because it's powerful, this is. So this Srimad Bhagavata gives you. Jat pada pankaja palasa vilasa bhakta karmasam kathita udgathanti santo tanvinna raktumoto jatu niruddha srota ganastam aranam bhajavasudevam. Why not? So now coming in this way, anugraha bhaktanam manusam dhyamasitam jasutva tatparo bhavat. Krishna says also, I manifest all my lila from Golok Vrindavan to in this Bhauma Vrindavan. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari Saparsada Siya Dham Saha Avatari. Saparsya Dham, all his transcendental Dham descended in this world. Bhauma Vrindavan. How? With his Yogamaya Darsitam. Maya Balam Yogamaya Darsitam. Sukadeva Goswami sloka, very nice sloka. Yoga Maya ball of Darsitam. Krishna manifests a very nice, beautiful form. Why? If anybody listen or take darshan, Prakat Lila. Krishna, 3 types of dham. What is that? Dissaman Prakash, Prakat Dham and Aprakat Dham. Dissaman Prakash Dham means now we are going to Vrindavan. Krishna Lila you cannot see. But that place is there, spot is there. Where Krishna, he performed his Lila, Radhakunda, Samkunda, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan, Nandagam, Varsana. That place is there. So that is called Dissamana Prakash Dham. At Prakat Dham, 5,000 years before Krishna came in this Dham. And that time Lila was going. That time people can see direct to Krishna. They saw Krishna. They saw it. That is called Prakat Lila. Or Aprakat Lila in Golok Vrindavan. That the Lila is going on always. Nitya Lila is going on. But in this Brahmanda, different Brahmandas so Lila is going on. Not only one Brahmanda, one planet. Innumerable planet, innumerable Brahmandas also. But one Brahmanda, only one Vrindavan. Understand? One Brahmanda, only one Vrindavan. One Brahmanda means is what? 14 planetary systems. Choduddas Bhuvan Brahmanda, one. Bhurva Mahajana Tapasat. Tal Atal Vital Sutal Rasata. But only one Brahma, one Vrindavan. In this way, innumerable planet Brahmanda. So Krishna Lila still is going on. Different Brahmanda. अद्यावधि से लीला करे गौर राय कोनो कोनो भगवान देखी बारे पाए. Still Krishna is going on in Brahmanda. Harika, where are you going? He's going to huh? Addavadi se lila kare gaurarai kono kono bhagavan dekhi pari. Those are very extreme fortune. They can see that lila is going. Understand? Bhajanad Vijay Kumar Jayavardhan. How Krishna lila Gaur lila is going on. When you take darshan, when you come in the stage of Bhavadasha, and when sadhu will come in the stage of Bhavadasha, then Jogmaya arrange to take darshan. So now coming this way, Vaikuntha nahi je sab lila rasera prachar, sei sab lila ame karibo, jaha loke hai chamatkar. So parakritta ras bhav, paramur mode, transcendental paramur, not material paramur mode. Aprakita, parakritta bhav. Only in the heart of the gopis. And that is the very sweetness. Understand? Because there are 4 things in Parakritta Bhav. What is that? Durlavata. Durlavata means very rare to meet with Krishna. Kobu mile, kobu na mile, daivere ghatan. Amiyo najane gopi gaon, duhe rupe gune duhar, hari marman. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Krishna says, Amiyo najani, according to Jogmaya, Krishna completely forgets to the gopis. Or gopis, they also forget to Krishna. Krishna is thinking, I am an ordinary cowherd boy. Or gopis, they are thinking, we are ordinary cowherd girls. So saying, Amiyo najane gopi gan. Duhar rupe gune duhar, Hare More Man. Then both they also attract each other's their beauty and qualification. This is a human being, Leela. Understand? The Jogmaya see arrange this way. Material world, conditional soul, they forget everything by Mahamaya. Or Krishna, he performed this Leela with his Jogomaya. Naham Prakaso Jogomaya. Naham Prakaso Sarvasya Jogomaya Samapritam. I am not manifested my form everywhere. I hide my form with my Jogomaya. Or Srimad Bhagavatam Sukdev Goswami also told to Parikshit Maharaj, Krishna performs his Leela with his Jogomaya. Bhagavan Virat Taratri Saradu Fulla Mallika Rantu Manaschakre Jogomaya Mupasritam. First look of Rasa Leela. Very sweet. Sri Sukha Vacha. Bhagavan Taratri. Bhagavan Taratri. Bhagavan Krishna. Varnandan Samsundar. Which was saying Bhagavan. Here Bhagavan means not Narayan or Ramchandra or any incarnation. Bhagavan is saying Bhagavan. Varnandana Samsundar. Bhagavan Taratri Sardutpulla Mallika Rantu Manaschakre Jogomaya Mupasritam. Very nice, beautiful midnight, night. What night? Full moon, it's night. Chandrama, the rays of moon, and illuminated the whole direction. And eastern side, Purvadisha, completely what? Colored with kumkum, kumkum govi ranjitam kumkumam, govi ranjitam kumkumam. Bhagavan Vitaratri Sardadpulla Mallika Rantu Manaschakre Jogomaya Mupasritam. Kumkum color, understand? Very nice, beautiful, reddish color. The eastern side. Very beautiful. And full moon. Purna Chandrama. And that Chandrama is also called, name is called Raka Chandrama. Raka Chandrama. And Chandrama, moon completely. And Gobhi Ranjitam. Gobhi Ranjitam. And that eastern side completely colored with the kumkum color, that the rays of the moon. Then Krishna saw Uddipana stimulation coming in his heart and about the face of the gopis. Because gopis' face is what? A round figure. Very nice and attractive. Like Chandrama. Chandrama face, shape is what? Round figure. And very nice, beautiful reddish color. Gopis, they are not going to the beauty parlor. The spontaneous, their face is very nice, beautiful, attractive. Sometimes I joked. One mother and a baby coming from the beauty parlor, then also doing some festival outside. In the meantime, rain came, then all his paint finished. Then after a few minutes, baby come back, told him, Auntie, where is my mother? Hey, I am your mother. Now you are the witch. My mother face very nice. Arey, no, I am your mother. But how? But at that time I was coming from beauty parlor. So that is because in this material world, if you come from beauty parlor or painted, that is called temporary beauty is come. If you are 15 years, or when you 15 and 51 years, then difference. You take one photo when you are how older? Okay, maybe 17 years. When you are 17th years, how? 17. Then take one picture. Who is 17th years? No one will. 7-1. Then again we will be when we 7-1. Then take another picture. Very difficult to match. Same eye. For the modern science, they are taking their eyes. Because they research these things. Modern science research everything from our Vedas. Understand? They day and night to culture the Vedas. Where Vedas say. Understand? This is Veda. Your eyes is same. When you were small baby, and now you are the shape of eyes is same. Maybe power difference is this is another thing. But size is not smaller, not bigger. Many people they don't know also. Every day you are looking your eyes, but you don't know your eyes are same size. All your ears, nose, all the limbs and hands, finger also change. When you were small baby, that finger very thin, very small. All your limbs and even nose, everything, hands, everything. But size of eyes, never change. For this regard, they are taking the picture, your eyes. Understand? If I tell many things, you have to learn something. Jadavidya Jata Mayar Bhai, but Jadavidya something neat. Bhagavan Pita, I come here, Gopi is that. Uddipana Vibhag, stimulation in the heart of Krishna. What is Uddipana? Stimulation. When Krishna saw the full moon, and which is a complete reddish color. Diko Pracho, Goviranjitam. Then Krishna remembering to gopis. Then Krishna came out from his house on the bank of Jumuna. Then Krishna thinking, oh, I promised to gopis, I have to fulfill their desires. When Krishna was 6 years old and he at the time of the Katyayani Puja, What is called? Vastra Lila, when Krishna stole the cloth of the gopis. That time Krishna told, hey gopis, now you are qualified. Next year I will fulfill all your desires. But next year Indra, he made disturbance to the Braj. For this regard, Krishna lifted Raj Govardhan. So now Krishna is 8 years old. How old are you? 8. When Krishna is thinking, oh, last year I did not fulfill the desires of the gopis. Now I have to fulfill their desires. So now Krishna played the flute. Understand? Kalam jago vamodi sa manoharam. Very nice. So now coming in this way, then gopis, they gave up all their household duties and running towards Krishna. Nisamma gitam tadananga vardhanam vajastriyu ajagunuttama alikchita. Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Why Krishna played the flute? Nisamma gitam tadananga vardhanam vajastriyu ajagnu uttama alakchita. All the gopis, they are running towards Krishna. Why? Because they claim this bija mantra entered in the ears of the gopis. Then gopis, they cannot stay. Because Krishna is calling their name, Radhe, Radhe, Lalite, Lalite, Visakes. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. Radhe, Radhe, Boli, Murali, Daki, Ve, Modiya, Isari, Namo. Radhe, Radhe, Boli, Murali, Daki, Ve, Modiya, Isari, Namo. Chamaki, Uthive, Sakhi, Kamone, Rakhive, Prano. Bhaktivinoda Thakur completely absorbed in his own translation consonant form, Kamal Manjari. And when this flute calling the name of Radha, Radha, then all the Manjaris, they also running towards Krishna. Krishna did not call to the Manjaris. Because Manjari, they are one particular Srimati Radhika. Okay, I call Srimati Radhika, they automatically will come. If I pull your Shikha, then automatically all your limbs and body will come. Understand? No need to Shikha, no need to hands, legs. Not only one. Choti. Choti, understand? Are why are you going Choti? Wait. Are you going very good? Not go. Because Krishna, he called whom? Srimati Radhika. Jatha Chatravat Chatradhari. Chatradhari, understand? Chatradhari, one who holds the umbrella. Understand? There goes Chatradhari. Chatradhari, one who holds the umbrella of king. When king is going, automatically he is Chatradhari. Chatradhari means the holder of umbrella automatically going. So Krishna thinking, no need to call to the Manjaris. No need to call Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, then no need. They call Krishna called only Srimati Radhika. Or where Srimati Radhika going, automatically Manjari there, automatically Manjari there, as like shadow of Srimati Radhika. So now coming to say, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Radhe Radhe Boli, Murali Daki Ve, Modiya Isari Namo, Chamaki Uthive, Kamone Rakhive Para. Because all the activities of Srimati Radhikas then manifested in the heart of the Manjaris. So no need to call to the Manjari. So Krishna he calls Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Because this sound of the flute, what is the sound? Klim. Call, lo, I, mo. Then all they are running. And how they are running? Side by side, each gopi is running. But by Jogmaya, they did not see to each others. Radha, Lalita, Viseke, Rupanjali, all they are going. But they did not see to each others. Why? Marja Vishita Dhiya. Because their mind completely absorbed with Krishna. If your mind absorbed with Krishna, how possible see to others? As like Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Sukadeva Goswami Pad took birth from the womb of mother and running towards the jungle, forest. In the middle, some young girls, they also taking bath without cloth. But Sukadeva Goswami Pad went away. But they did not sigh. Why? Because Sukadeva Goswami mind completely absorbed with Brahman. Brahmano Paripurvati Nishtito Aham. My mind always absorbed. Who is here, who is not here now. So in the same way, what is the, why I am giving this example? That is called Marja Vishita Dhiya. You remember this logo, Marja Vishita Dhiya. Krishna told, one's mind completely absorbed with me. Dhiya means buddhi, intelligence, mind. Then he cannot see others. So in the same way, Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriyo Ajagunu Uttama Alakchito. When Krishna played the flute, then all the gopis, they are running and going side by side. But they did not see to each other because their mind completely absorbed with Krishna. So the Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Vardhanam Tad Ananga Vardhanam. Here Ananga means no anga iti anangam. Who has no form? Who has no form? Kam, prema. Tad ananga vardhanam. Krishna increase their transcendental love or lust in their heart. So for this regard, they completely absorbed with Krishna. Tad ananga vardhanam brajastriyo ajagunu uttama alakshita. Ajagunu uddama. Unalakshita. Uddam means that so much encouragement coming in their heart. And utsaha. Understand? So much utsaha coming in their heart. What is that? Krishna is calling to us. So much happiness coming. Krishna is calling. But how Krishna is calling? Another commentary is coming. Krishna, a gopi, they are sleeping in their house. Midnight. Then Krishna is thinking, I am a famous thief, but I am not thief, I am also dacoit. So Krishna with his flute, sound of the flute, enter in the ears of the gopis and coming in their heart. In the gopis' heart, what things? Very valuable things are there. What are the valuable things? That is called prema. So Krishna entered in the ears of the gopis and coming in their heart and stole their very valuable things. Still gopis are sleeping. Then Krishna coming out, then Krishna thinking, maybe next morning they will be fine, they will be upset, oh, where is our valuable things? It is better. I have to wake, what is it called? Wake him up. Then Krishna came out from the house and said, hey Gopi, how long you will sleep? Wake up. Look, I am taking your valuable things. Precious. Look. Then Gopi did him. Hey, chor, he said, thief. And Gopi did ran towards Krishna. Krishna told, I am not only thief. Thief is not good. Dacoit. Showing the pistol, gun. Then Gopis they think, oh my God, what will do now? Then Krishna running and also Gopis, they also running behind to him. This. So now coming in this way, Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriyo Alukchito Uddama. They did not see to each other, but they are so much enthusiastic in their heart. They are running. And coming where? On the bank of Jamuna. Then Krishna asked, hey Gopis, why have you come? You are chaste lady. And midnight, I am only one Pakka Brahmachari. Why have you come here? You have to return back to your home. Krishna told many katha, many joked with the gopis. You know this katha. Many things joking to the gopis. You return back to home. The gopis told, yes, we can return back to our home. But you stole our very valuable things. You return back. Padana chalati tab padamulat. Padana chalati tab padamulat. Hey Govinda, how to return back our home? Our valuable thing that is mind you stole. Only with our legs we cannot walk. When our mind connected with our leg, then you can walk. But you stole our mind, so how will you return back our home? In this way, Krishna and gopis, very nice, beautiful, joking each others, and very nice, beautiful rasa katha. Then Krishna perform ras dance with the gopis. Understand? What are they doing? Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopigan. Man mera ban gayi ri sakhi pavan vrindavan. न बिना विप्रलंबेन संभोग पुष्टि मस्नुति यथा रंजते कसायते वस्त्र. Without separation, meeting will not increase. Understand? So Jogmaya, she arranged. So all the gopis, they're so much intoxicated with Krishna's ras dance, and they completely intoxicated with their Saubhagyamat. Saubhagyamat means intoxicated with their fortune. Now Krishna only is meeting with me. By Jogmaya, the gopis, each gopi is not looking to each other. They say all they are thinking, Krishna only is with me and dancing. For this regard, that gopi is coming, that is called Sobhagyamat. What did he say? What is that? You understand or not? What do you understand? Pride of their virtue. So much intoxicated. And but Bhagavan, I have to destroy their pride. Ahankar. On another hand, Srimati Radhika, she did man. Oh, Krishna is stupid nonsense rascal. He says, Hey Srimati Radhika, you are my heart and soul, no parang nirvadam samjuna sasadu kritya vibhuti sabiva. Jama durjana griya sinkhala sangrishya pratijatu sadhuna. Hey Srimati Radhika, I can't to repay your debts. You are my heart and soul. If in thousand lives, if you serve your lotus feet, I cannot free from your debts. No parang nirvadam samjuna sasadu kritya. Listen. And now Krishna is dancing with the other gopis. Then Yogamaya creates these types of mood in the heart of Srimati Radhika called man, anger. And then Srimati Radhika, she stopped to dance. When Srimati Radhika stopped to dance, then Krishna stopped also to dance. Then Krishna is thinking, what will Srimati Radhika? She is angry with me. So how can I pacify to Srimati Radhika in front of all the gopis? Then Krishna is doing this lila. Then Krishna took Srimati Radhika and Tatradhyam tadhyati kesavam. Then in case of Krishna, he disappeared from the Ras dance with Srimati Radhika. Though Srimad Bhagavatam not direct mention, that Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance with Srimati Radhika. But indirectly it is. Prasomana prasomanayam tatradi antadhyate kesavam. Rasik Sekar Krishna. Krishna is very expectation. Out to joking, love and affection with gopis. Because Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Krishna. What is his name? Dhir Lalit Nayak Krishna. Dhir Lalit Nayak Krishna is these four extraordinary qualifications. What is that? Do you know? What is that, Sita? Navajauvanancha, always ever fresh, youthful form. Navajauvanancha. This actual Krishna, Sangrup Krishna, this very nice, beautiful, youthful form. Nice Rasgulla cheeks. Krishna cheeks as like Rasgulla, two Rasgulla. Very nice. Eyes very nice, beautiful. Long eyes. Little bit over. What is it called? Out. Whose eyes are going down, that is not good. Whose eyes is little bit coming out. Understand? Everything depends on this thing. What is the beauty of our body? Explain our Shastra. Whose eyes going out little bit up. Up, understand? Not going down. This eye. And very nice, beautiful lotus eyes. And coming unto the corner of the ears. Very long eyes. That Sanskrit word there, Patal Chera Chok. Patal, understand? Patal, you know, subject. And if you cut that half portion of the patal means one kind of fruit subject, as like dimba fruits. And that time you can see when they cut that the patal, that the subject, as like dimba fruits. And inside also the seed. And seed also there. And that size is coming. Very nice. So the patal chera chok. Many things we have to learn. Understand? Krishna eyes very beautiful, attractive. And same way gopis also. Srimati Radhika. And also coming out. Very nice. Huh? Our eyes is not good. But Krishna's eyes is very, Radharika Gopi's eyes is very little bit. Sometimes all here, some very rare. Then you can see his eyes little bit going up and very nice, beautiful. That eyes is very nice. Huh? What did I say? I forgot. Huh? That is called Navajauvanancha. Navajauvanancha, that is 4 qualifications of Dhir Lalit Nayak. First is very youthful form, very nice, beautiful eyes and nose. All in perfect. Sushtuktam. Very nice, beautiful. This. And second, Navajauvanancha, Parihaspatu. He is very expertise to joking and talking with her, with his, what is it called, lover or beloved. And speaks very nice sweet words, very quickly. And then Priyasi Vashibhuta, completely also controlled by the consort, his consort, Srimati Radhika. Not everybody, not Chandravali. Krishna completely controlled. Priyasi Navajauvanancha, Parihaspatu, and Priyasi Vashibhuta, or another. Pardon? Nischintita. Nischintita. Meaning free mind. In his mind, no any anxiety and anxiousness. And it's a mind-free mind. If you are free mind, then you will be happy. If your mind disturbed anyway, if you are physically or mentally disturbed, then your happiness not come. Understand? For this God saying, keep my smile. When smile comes from inner court of heart, when you free mind, in your mind no anxiety, no anxiousness, then no any kinds of, what is called? Disturbance. Then you can smile. So Krishna is the son of Nanda Maharaj. He is called Prince, Rajputra. He has no duty, no responsibilities. What is he doing? Eating, sleeping and dancing with the gopis. This is true. What is Krishna doing? Eating, morning wake up, eating, then dancing with the gopis and again sleeping. These 3 This is true. Eating, sleeping and dancing. No responsibilities. Nanda Maharaj is the king of Braj. He has many responsibilities because he has many praja. Praja means subjects. They will complain, oh, you are king, this is your problem, this is your problem. Every day you have to go to the Raj Darbar. Raj Darbar, understand? Royal place. And listen their complaints. Or Krishna? No. Wake up, morning, maybe 7 o'clock sleeping, unto 8 o'clock sleeping. Then taking food, prasad, then again going to herding the cows. I don't know what he is doing there, forest. Then again return back. And understand? Return back, again eating, again sleeping, and night time, don't know where he is going, and dancing with the gopis. No responsibility, nothing. So he is called Nischintita. Sanskrit word, Nischintita. No anxiety, no anxiousness, no duty and responsibilities. So Krishna is called, what this is Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Ramchandra cannot do this. Ramchandra, he king of Ayodhya. He has many responsibilities. So Ramchandra cannot perform Ras dance. Vishnu also cannot perform Ras dance. Why? Vishnu is not free from anxiety and anxiousness. Vishnu's life is very critical life. Cannot sleep, I told sometimes. Because he has 4 arms. Little bit still, then Brahmaji is coming. Oh my Lord, this problem. Understand this thing? Then, because Vishnu's duty is what? To kill the demons. Vishnu dare kare asura sanhar. Krishna, he kills the demon with his incarnation of Vishnu. Always is Jiddha Vigraha did. And fighting, killing the Vishnu, killing the demon. Ramchandra, not possible also. He is the king of Yodha. Anxiety, anxiousness. And his subjects are coming and saying this problem. You have to solve this. Dwarkadhish Krishna, little bit, but also anxiety. His duty is also this to killing the demon, reestablish Varnashram Dharma. But he is a little bit better than Vishnu and Ramachandra. Why? He has 16,108 queens and also many sons and daughters. Take this one. Vaikuntha Janito Vara Dharvatta Jatra Keluti Prabhu Sodaratma Jabrita. And Dargapuri is higher than Vaikuntha. Because Krishna, he performs sweet lila with his wives. One wife is very difficult to control. But Krishna, how many wives? 16,108. Not so easy to control. And all the queens, they are very elevated. Everybody understand? All they are champion. Understand? Champion, understand? What champion? World champion. With their beauty, with their activities, everything, all they are champion. And all they are also proud for their own beauties. Rukmini Satyabhama, they are not. Uddama bhava pisuna malabal guhasa lilavalokalam lokanam. Srimad Bhagavatam keeps a video. Uddama bhava pisuna malabal guhasa. In Dwarkapuri, Rukmini, Satyabhama, Nanajita, Lakshmana, all they are queens. They are very beautiful. Uddama bhava pisuna malabal guhasa. Uddam bhava, they are very nice, beautiful. Their mood as like the waves of the ocean. And waves of the ocean stimulate the ocean. When the big waves, then ocean coming up and down. In the same way, the prem of the queens of Dwarka and the waves of the prem and up and down. This Uddama bhava pisuna malabal guhasa. How they are very nice, beautiful, romantic glance and love and affection. And you cannot imagine the queens of Dwarka. They are not less than the gopis. Actually, all the gopis manifest here. For this regard, their bhav, mood, very beautiful. And all they are very attractive. So saying, Uddama bhavo pisuno malabul guhasa lila avalokanam. But still they cannot to control the Krishna's mind. But gopis, just their sidelong glance, they control to Krishna. And among the gopis, Srimati Radhika. What is the slok? Vimurchita tasya. Venu karannita paditam. Brashtanchat pita vasanam. Our Prabodhananda Saraswati Padma, just Srimati Radhika, with her anger, and her romantic sidelong glance, she controlled to Krishna. And Srimati Radhika, when she did the sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika as like very sharp arrow and stuck in the heart of Krishna. Then Krishna fainted. Venu karannita paditam. And Krishna's body started to shake. That the glance of Srimati Radhika. You cannot imagine what kinds they are going on Leela. So Venu Karanita Patitam. And Krishna always, he keeps the flute in his hand. One day I told the Katha. Where? Literally. Huh? How Krishna, he keeps his flute in his hand. Because Krishna afraid. Why? Gopis, they will be steal his flute. This flute is very Brahmastra. Brahmastra is very powerful weapons. So Gopi is thinking, we have to steal this Brahmastra of flute from the hand of Krishna. So for this regard, Krishna always he gives the flute. Understand? But so one day I told this story Katha. I did not finish. But today now is 2 o'clock. So now Gopis with their just the sidelong glance, especially Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna's body start to shake, trembling. And then his flute automatically what? Falling down. Venu Karanita Paditam. Brashtancha Pita Vasanam. Then Krishna's, what is called? Yellow garments and uttari. And automatically falling down. Then Krishna Vimurchita tasya yatha saraghati. Then Krishna completely fainted. By touching. So try to understand this way. In the same way, in Dwarkapuri, the queens, Rukmini, Satyabhama, Nagnajita, Lakshmana, they are not ordinary also. They are not ordinary ladies. But they cannot control to Krishna with their these types of love. So now come. So what did I say? Yadhir Lalitana, Krishna, in Braj. So here, actually, Rayamananda in this way glorified about gopis and among the gopis Srimati Radhika. Radha Tattva. This is very important. And we have to know about your Ishtadevi. Who is she? How is she? Understand this thing. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss about Radha Tattva. Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Hello Radha Rani ki. Hello Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe. You offering or not?
No.
Okay, go quick offer then Arun. What song? राधा रानी की जय महारानी राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय What is your name? What do you think? Good?
Yes. Good idea.
Okay. Finish or not? One thing you learn, but you the eyes never.
I'm thinking about this since yesterday. I'm thinking about this since last night.
Yeah. Look, this his eyes and everybody is the same. Same. He's small baby. Our eyes never also are going bigger, nose bigger. Everybody small baby nose, hands, everything. But eyes not.
Maharaj, photo is Parma.
Huh?
Photo is Parma. Photo is vegetable. Is it fruit or vegetable? Vegetable.
Bottle.
Yeah, like photos like Parma. Rasa.
Yeah.
All the big
Formal.
seeds.
Bottle, formal, same.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, Gurudev likes this. Huh?
I like this.
Yeah, you like. If you cut, then our eyes, the bottle cheracho. You remember when you cook, that is the uddipan automatically comes. Huh? When you eat the pomegranate seed, then you remember Srimati Radhika's gums, very reddish color. Huh? Everything is there. Huh?
For you,
I don't know, just I'm speaking to you. Then I tell you what, in your whole body, sweat coming or not? Where? Head. And sometimes so much very sweat. When we dancing, very hot, then also sweat coming from our head, body. But which part of body is never sweat coming? Never sweat coming. You cannot give answer. It's very important. You think. I'm not giving answer. You give answer. Huh? Pardon? No, feet also have it. Feet. Huh? Yeah, coming. Coming. So much. But which part is not coming? Chalo.
this part completely dry. Completely dry.
Huh?
Completely dry. Nothing coming. No sweat, no roots, nothing coming. Dry.
Never coming. Which part of body? External body. I'm not saying the inside of the stomach or mouth. External body. Sweat coming in the skin. In our body skin. Sweat coming. But which part of the body? Skin is there, no sweat coming. How? Which part of the body? Nail is in the skin. Sweat coming from the skin. Pagal. Some intelligent, some think. Everything I will tell you can understand.